This is the GP300M, a 4G Cat4 two-way voice GPS tracking device. At 75 grams or 2.6 ounces, it's very light and non-intrusive, packed with functionality such as fall detection for lone workers, at-risk persons, SOS panic button, and BLE Wi-Fi support for indoor location use cases. With the pre-installed 930 milliamp battery, you can maximize your days of use based on refined settings upwards of 15 days. The GP300 has FCC, PTCRB, and AT&T certifications. On the back, you have all your important pieces of information, your charging contact points, your lanyard holes, so you can wear this around your neck. Here is your SIM slot, it's a nano SIM, and your power button. We also have a ballistic nylon pouch that has the belt loop on the back. It also includes a breakaway lanyard to be installed onto the loops. We have the charging cradle. So included is a quick start guide that tells you a bit about the device, general information, how to get started setting up the device. This is the GP300M.